Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk a little bit more about should I paint my vinyl windows? I'm holding a vinyl cutout of a frame of basically what a manufacturer would put on the outside if they paint the exterior and not the interior. Why is that? The reason why they don't put it on the inside is because of the constant wear that it's going to undergo. So the weather stripping that are sliding back and forth between the vinyl track itself over time is going to basically create scrape marks on the paint. And it's kind of a big trend right now. We're saying, hey, I'll show you how to paint my vinyl windows. That way it's black on the inside. Good luck with that is what I tell people. You know, if you're gonna paint your windows on the inside, there's a reason why manufacturers don't do it. Is because it can't undergo the wear. Once you paint your windows, try taking all that off once you realize that it's not really gonna work out for the long term. While I understand people do want the black on the inside because it's a cool look, just be wary as so many manufacturers say no to that. Probably gonna catch a little hate here, you know, and that's fine. It's just, I'm more interested in you being happy in the long run. And if the manufacturers are saying, don't paint your windows on the inside, and they'll only, as the manufacturer, will paint it on the outside, very specific type of paint that they will use on the outside, and you can't really use that on the inside because it's undergoing something completely different. You're sliding a window back and forth on the inside, but not on the outside. The outside is for looks on the outside. So if the palette of the home requires a black frame on the outside, well, then that's gonna be perfect. On the inside, different. Just be wary of that. So you see a lot of these videos, hey, watch how we do this, watch how we do this, but ask for follow-up videos after a year and see how they look still, kind of go from there. But my advice as a window dealer, don't paint your vinyl windows on the inside unless you're okay with, you know, seeing scrape lines on the interior where the weather stripping slides back and forth. Okay guys, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below and I will get to them as soon as I possibly can. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.